back to my channel. It's me, Maggie, back, and we're baby-faced and clean. So we're gonna pin back the hair. We're gonna use my paint tube and paint palette today. This house is full of amazing art, so it really fits the vibe. I'm currently dog sitting in the most beautiful mid-century modern house, and they have impeccable style. First thing we're gonna try in that collection is the Glow Serum.
Prime, Perfect, and Glow. This lightweight triple swirled serum primes, corrects, and brightens in one easy step. Light reflecting shimmer adds a luminous touch, while the silky formula smooths, nourishes, and preps your skin for a flawless makeup or naturally radiant look from within.
First thing we're trying is the My Melody Kuromi 20th Anniversary Serum Primer. It's super pretty looking. I will show you a pretty close-up shot in the sunlight, because where else would I do it? Love creating like really pretty visuals for makeup or just in general. And I know people like them because they tell me all the time. That's nice. Nice to see that my hard effort is appreciated. Okay, let's get in there. It's coming out purple and pink. Hello? This pump's not very good. Well, I can't seem to get any more to come out. It does have all the makings in there. All the pretty pearls. It looks like a seashell. Mix it. Sparkly. I would say it has 0 scent. No scent at all. Skin doesn't need fragrance. We just like to because it smells good. It doesn't feel like so hydrating it would feel gross on the skin. So we're gonna let that juicify the skin and then pop on our foundation and stuff, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I just put the e.l.f. Halo Glow Skin Tint on because I haven't been very good at sunscreen and this has it in it. Next, we're gonna go in with the My Melody and Kuromi Cream Blush in the shade Cherry Bliss. As you can tell, very beautiful. A tulip pink with a gold shimmer running through it. I'm gonna just dip this e.l.f. cream and powder brush right into it, destroying the prettiness. Ooh, that's pretty pigmented. So I'm gonna really just buff it into the brush. Oh, wow. That was really pigmented. Did not expect that. I really love the color though. I feel like it's kind of lifting my foundation a little. Is this what it's like having dog hair all over your face? Oh my god. If you see this on my face, just ignore it for now because I can't get it off. Next, we're gonna powder with the Luminous Setting Powder, and I've got the purple one. I don't know if it has a name. It's definitely lavender. Is this blush gone? Look how patchy it is right there. This will probably add back the shine anyways, maybe. It keeps like removing my foundation. I think it's the blush's fault. I don't know. I'm determined to make this not look patchy. The blush is not doing it for me. Maybe it's an application issue, but that looks terrible. Maybe I'll feel better about it. Yeah, it's so patchy. It's probably a me issue, and you really can't see any visible shimmer on the face from that powder. It just looks nice and it's like skin, more radiant, less flat. See? Okay, we're gonna go in with the Kuromi palette next. The color we're gonna go in with first is this one. I think it's number 6. Number 6 doesn't have a name. This is a very light shade. Kind of that Tim Burton brown I like, that corpsey gray, but has a bit more purple, I would say, tone in it. Like a muted purple. And then we're gonna go ahead and take number 8, which is like a mauve pink. Quite a bit of kickback. I should have probably did my eyes first. Whoa. I'm gonna take this number 3. It's like a pretty lavender. Just kind of put that here. I'm gonna just put it on one part of my eye, but it's pretty, so it's going all over. And it's light enough, it doesn't like make my eyes look smaller. It just kind of brightens them a little bit. I'm not loving this eye look. It looks a little bad. Salvage it the best we can. Maybe it was the brush I was using. Number 9, which is like a deep Kuromi purple, just to kind of be able to create a little bit more depth. Not the best my eyes have ever looked. I really want to use this shade, the number 2 sparkle. It's like a peachy pink with yellow green sparkle. It's like that kind of drier texture. I think this will save it. That's pretty. It's got a drier texture, but it still kind of has a bit of a cream base. Look how sparkly. I think that's the best. These are the 2 best shades in the palette. The rest isn't blowing me away, but maybe I'm just sucking at eyeshadow today. Okay, I'm gonna finish my eyes and come back and we'll finish the face. Look at the eyes. I'm not gonna lie, the skin is not skinning. I think it's the blush's fault. I really disliked the way this applied. Very patchy. Maybe it's just the products that I used aren't working together, but because usually I like their blushes. I'll keep testing it out, but I'm not like overly impressed with that. I love the glitters in this, and the palette, it's not bad. Maybe I'm just was having a bad application day of my entire face. I don't know. I like the illuminating powder. It makes the skin look nice and glowy. And we have one product left, which I don't think is gonna fail me because I like their highlighters. Yeah, this pretty icy, kind of like Fenty dupe, I would say. And then this one's like a lavender with like a pink flip. And then we got like a lavender with a silver. And then we've got like a pink, baby pink with a silver sparkle. Very pretty. The silver, the lavender sparkly one, more purple one, and then the pink. So pink, purpley, lighter lavender, very pretty, silvery. They're, the deeper shades are definitely a little bit more creamy than the other 2. I feel like these could work as blushes, and then these are highlights. Maybe that's the vibe they were going for. I'm actually gonna take that pink. Maybe it'll blend that a bit. Fill in those patchy spots. I'm loving it as a blush. I'm gonna take, I'll do one of each. Let's do this. Put it on the tip of my nose. Ooh. Let's put it up here. Ooh. So we can target it more. Very good in the brow bone, I will say. Let's put it here too. It needs a little bit more brightness. Then we're gonna take the purple, the lighter one. We're basically just using all four. I'm gonna put the pink on my lips actually. It's giving Bratz doll. See what a little like shimmer can add to the lip. I will say my eyes look nice and amber. Okay, now that we're all done, let's do a little refresh on the things that we have tried and review them. This was fun and it feels hydrating. Is it anything it's like, oh my god, I need this? No, but I'm happy I have it and I'll use it. Feels nice and hydrating, nothing fancy. This I was excited about. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet because the application looks very patchy on my face. The color's beautiful, but it's one of those products that I'm like, I won't be purchasing the other color. Wasn't like in love with this. So I'll keep playing with it, see if it's the product and put it in the description. But right now I'm like, boo. Like illuminating powder, that's like the lavender one. I think it's pretty. Makes the skin look glowy without it being set down at the same time. I would definitely say you could give this a go. I would give this one a thumbs up. A eyeshadow palette. Again, not deeply obsessed with the look I created, and I think that's partially affecting my opinion of it. But I do think it is a nice palette, especially I love this shade. I'm gonna be wearing this a lot. It just adds like a nice sparkle. And I also am really into this one. I didn't use it. Well, I started to use it, but it's like a nice and soft. And it has like a corpsey kind of gray tone. This palette, the little highlighter face quad one, I would give this one a thumbs up. It's definitely worth it. It's nice blush kind of top, the shimmery blushes kind of, or blush toppers, and then the highlighters are really, they're nice and sparkly, and you'll sparkle from space. Unless you don't like glitter, then you're not gonna like these. I'm gonna give this collection out of 5 melodies a 3 out of 5 melodies. I personally, if I had known how I would have felt about these, I would have, instead of getting the blush and maybe not getting the glow serum, I would have got the mirrors, the little hand mirrors that they have in the shape of their heads. I still might get those because I collect little vintage hand mirrors. I have a little short on it on my channel if you're curious. And they're just like little ones and that you can put in your purse or something. And those are pretty cute. I might pick those up because I do have a Hello Kitty like light up mirror that I really enjoy. So I might get those, but I would probably pass on some of this. It's not a necessary buy. They're cutesy and fun, but is it anything that I'm obsessed with? Nothing is really like screaming at me like, oh, I needed this, you know. I'll use it now that I have it, but not every collection or makeup product is gonna be amazing, and not every look is gonna turn out the way I was hoping. But I will keep playing with these, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you were curious on any of the products I played with from this Wet n Wild My Melody Kuromi collection, if you're a cutesy person like me who likes adorable things and trinkets, have a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and don't forget to give this video a like, share it with all your friends and family, comment something nice below, maybe your favorite product or if you've gotten anything from this collection. And if you got to this end of the video, I want you to comment below your favorite Sanrio character. So have a beautiful day or night wherever you are. Bye!